savings. Well, Zhiwei is the president and chief economist at Pinpoint Asset Management in Hong Kong.
Part of it is related to the economy. I think the first half of the year, the economy performed much better than people expected. The trade war didn't really bring that much damage to the economy. Exports continue to perform very well, and the economy actually grow, stronger than the government official target of 5%. So the stability of the economy helped the sentiment in the market. I think that's a big part of it. And then the other part is geopolitical risk. I think people are less worried about further conflict between China and the U.S. The trade negotiation is going well, and there's a lot of development on the in terms of foreign relations, even between China and Japan and Australia and many other countries. There has been quite many positive developments. So those developments really helped to improve the sentiment.
There seems also to be a huge increase in the number of ordinary Chinese people that are investing on the stock market, doesn't it? Stirring the stocks, as they say in China. You look on Guangdong Road in Shanghai, and there are so many of them now investing in the stock market. Why do you think they're investing so heavily at the moment?
Yeah, I think, last year and the first half of this year, there was a lot of worries on investors' mind. I mean, they were worried about the economy. They were worried about the policy uncertainty. They were concerned about, this ongoing conflict between U.S. and China. All kinds of things on their mind. I think in the past maybe three, four months, we got positive development on all these fronts. So it almost feels like the animal spirit is back. It's not just the regular retail investors. If you talk to the entrepreneurs nowadays in China, I mean, last year I think there was a lot of doubt among the entrepreneurs that when they run their business, they worry a lot of things. This year, I think the message from the government is very clear that they support private entrepreneurs to develop their business, and we've seen that the animal spirit also coming back to the corporate sector. So there's really a just better sentiment. And more economic activities on the ground that push people to become more positive.
Do you think it's helped that trade tensions between China and the US have eased now?
It helps a lot. I think the policy uncertainty in the beginning of the year was tremendous. We, as in the market, global investors, I would say that all these conferences I've been to, that people so worried about all these different scenarios of tariffs and how bad Chinese exports would perform. So far this year, it's actually exceeded expectation by large margin, and exports has been the pillar for economy so far this year. So I think people are less worried about I don't think people are that worried about a collapse of the economy. I think there are a lot of signs that showing the economy is stable.